How to repair a keyboard at home. This is an HP's wireless keyboard. Some of its keys are not working. Let's first check with the keyboard testing app on the internet. Remember the keys which are not working. Open the keyboard. Use a multimeter or just an LED light as I did to find the broken paths for the keys not working. To fix broken paths, you need to use conductive ink. Draw paths with the ink where needed and let it dry. Test the fixed paths once before assembling the keyboard. All right, now let's check the keyboard again with the keyboard tester. It's fixed now, all keys are working.